The state's Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs on Wednesday organized a press conference on the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana (PMUI) at the State Convention Center. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner and Secretary of the Department, Praveen Bakshi, said that the application for this scheme has been made hassle-free. Bakshi, however, said that Aadhaar is mandatory to avail this scheme for rightful targeting of beneficiaries. He said that LPG coverage in Meghalaya has been lower than the national average, and targeted efforts under PMUI aims to significantly boost it. According to Bakshi, the PMUI is not any other scheme but is linked to the Sustainable Development Goals, primarily benefiting good health and well-being by reducing indoor air pollution and gender equality by empowering women.
I take this opportunity to extend my warm greetings to the IOCL team for organizing this very useful and productive press conference on a very important and flagship scheme of the ministry. It's called Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. In short, most of us know it as PMUY. So for those who don't know much about the scheme, it is a scheme by which there is provision for LPG connection to households, and we are very happy to learn that the latest tranche of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana PMUY 3.0 envisages release of 25 lakh LPG connections nationally, and in this the beneficiaries will receive free LPG connection, which includes deposit-free cylinder and pressure regulator, Suraksha hose, DGCC, which is the short form for Domestic Gas Consumer Card, waiver of administrative charges. Apart from this, the oil marketing companies, be it IOCL, be it BPCL, they will also provide LPG stove and first refill free of cost to all the beneficiaries who get enrolled under the scheme. And of course, in the course of the press briefing, you will learn more about the scheme. But in this, there are three options for the beneficiary also: 4.2 kg single bottle, 5 kg single bottle, or 5 kg double bottle connection as per the need of the beneficiary. It has been made fairly hassle-free. There is no requirement for any mandatory certification like CAST, SC, ST for making an application under PMUY. However, biometric Aadhaar authentication is mandatory for application of PMUY. So this is one thing which Ministry is trying to focus on very clearly in a very concerted way, so that we have maximum outreach in a transparent manner. So this is something which we have to share with all the potential beneficiaries. This benefit is there for all, but also it comes with mandatory need for Aadhaar. And this is not for any other purpose, but simply to do rightful targeting. Now, if you see in various ministries, Government of India, the word which is being used repeatedly is rightful targeting of genuine and eligible beneficiaries. So this is one way by which the central government ensures that benefits reach out to those people who need it, those people who are actually the beneficiaries. And there's also a special clause allowing migrant workers and households also to apply for LPG connections, and you will be happy to know that in our state, since the coverage is slightly lower as compared to other parts of the country, it's around 73.15% only, and there is scope to cover little less than 2 lakh households. So it's a great opportunity for our state. And in this, what has happened is that the targeting has been done by IOCL and BPCL jointly, and through them we will be able to reach out to all our beneficiaries, those households who are left out. So here I would like to share just two more things. One is that there is need for certain documents which, as you know, in any other government scheme there will be a need, and we have to support and we have to facilitate the process, for which there is need for photocopy of the ration card. It could be AAY, PHH, non-NFSA card. We have come up with a very good clause. This is the initiative of the state government, that village headman certificate we have facilitated, and it has been approved by the supply department and the state government, and it has been made available to IOCL and all the other OMCs. So this actually helps in terms of co-option and in terms of the kind of participation we want to the village headmen and community leaders also. And of course, other things like job card, photocopy, Aadhaar card, bank account is a must, which under any circumstances is needed for most of the government schemes. And few KYC documents, you need to have a phone number and 2 copies of passport size photo. So these are some very easy to get, easy to supply, easy to furnish documents which we all have nowadays, and I think we will not have any problem in facilitating the households to be able to get this PMUY 3.0 connections by making use of this the provisions under the scheme. We would like to express our gratitude to IOCL for holding this conference, and partners, BPCL also, they are very serious. I also recall last time when we had PMUY connections, we were very happy to see more than 1 lakh connections being given on a very short span of time, for which, if I'm not mistaken, IOCL got an award also, but you didn't give us the party for the award. So anyway, in PMUY 3.0, once you are able to touch 1 lakh, so once again we'll have a celebratory press conference followed by a good party which is due from the side of IOCL. But we are very thankful to you. The PMUY connections are not just any other scheme, or any other benefits which have been given to the citizens. It is linked and tied up with the SDG goals, which is very, very crucial for each and every state. There are ranking parameters for every state. So sustainable development goals are mandated at the highest level. NITI Aayog keeps on monitoring it, and in this the state government fares slightly not too well in terms of our PMUY coverage, which is a contributory factor to the SDG goal of clean energy at the household level, clean cooking fuel at the household level. So it is linked with health of the family, it is linked with the health of the women who cook in the family. So it is a very positive step which is being taken, and we are sure that all the eligible beneficiaries, households, they will come forward and they will make sure that each and every eligible family is able to avail of this benefit. And since the target in our state is a bit higher, so you can imagine that we can almost claim for each and every household. There is no cap, there is no ceiling, and from the side of the OMCs, whether it is IOCL, whether it is BPCL, they are themselves reaching out to us. So we don't have to run after them and say that we have around 1.75 lakh households, will you be able to cover? They are at our doorstep with an offer for the people of the state. We can give you connections if you have eligibility. So that is something very great, and we thank them for this initiative, for this support. IOCL has been very forthcoming in partnering with the government at various levels, at the level of the deputy commissioner, at the blocks also. So this entire initiative is something which needs the collaboration of block officers, DC officers, which we are getting. And we promise to our friends from IOCL and BPCL, we will make sure that the full support, willing support is there from each and every office of Deputy Commissioner Supply and also from the block, so that we are able to reach out and target all the eligible beneficiaries. This is a festive time. We can very much claim it to be a festive gift from the central government for the people of the state. It is Christmas time, it is New Year. So we should see it as a genuine benefit and a good scheme which makes tremendous impact in the lives of the people. We are also very thankful to Mr. Adil Blah, who wears different hats. He is the head of the Sinjuk Rangbashnong, and he is also the president of Meghalaya Indian Distributors Association. Last time also through his partnership we were able to do this targeting in PMUY2 and reach as many as 1 lakh households. This time no less, I think we have a saturation target, and I think we'll have to do our best. We have friends in the Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry who keep on calling us. My batchmate is there as JS, and she says, why you are not able to take 100% benefit of the scheme? And we have assured her and the team that this time we'll do our best. This time there will be a massive outreach, and this time we'll motivate all the eligible households to make sure that they avail of PMUY3. So once again, I thank all of you for your support. I thank IOCL, BPCL, our supply department team, the deputy commissioners of the various districts who will be playing a proactive role, and we make sure it is a common campaign for all of us. All our friends from the media are here. They are excellent in the work they do. Some of them have far-reaching impact. I think they are able to reach out to each and every household through various forms of media, print media, social media, electronic media, and they are very, very good in that. I think you should see how their videos become viral, how their clips reach each and every household. So I make an appeal to all our brethren from the press, both electronic as well as print media. Please carry this message far and wide, and so that it reaches out to each and every household for two genuine things. One is that a gas cylinder is not a luxury anymore. It is a necessity for each and every household. That we should be able to do. And two, it brings down the smoke. It has a positive impact in the health of the family. So we are not just making life simple for the household. We are also taking care of the health of the women in the household and everybody who does the cooking. In doing so, if the state government is able to meet SDG goals, that is an added benefit for us, for which we'll get more funds and more points from the side of the central government.